Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Robotics Education Courses. My name is Vanessa. I'm excited to start a series of robotics video tutorials. In this first video, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of robotics. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone curious about the field, this channel is your gateway to learning and exploring the amazing realm of robots. So, let's dive in. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that combines science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It encompasses the design, construction, programming, and operation of robots. But what exactly is a robot? A robot is a machine designed to perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Robots can be found in various forms and sizes, from industrial robotic arms used in manufacturing to tiny robotic insects used in scientific research. They can be wheeled, legged, or even humanoid, mimicking human characteristics and movements. To understand robotics, let's take a look at the key components that make up a robot. First, we have sensors, which act as the robot's senses, enabling it to perceive and interact with its environment. Sensors can detect things like distance, light, temperature, and even human presence. Actuators are the muscles of the robot. They are responsible for the robot's movements and actions. Actuators can be electric motors, pneumatic systems, or hydraulic systems, depending on the robot's design and purpose. Microcontrollers serve as the robot's brain. They process the information received from the sensors and generate commands for the actuators. Programming languages, such as Python or C++, are used to communicate with the microcontroller and control the robot's behavior. Building a robot may seem complex, but don't worry. Throughout this channel, we will guide you step by step in constructing your very own robots, starting from simple designs and gradually advancing to more complex ones. The possibilities in robotics are endless. From exploring the depths of the ocean to venturing into outer space, robots play a crucial role in advancing various industries, enhancing productivity, and solving real-world challenges. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to robotics. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. In the next video, we will explore the fundamentals of robotics and delve into the exciting components that bring robots to life. See you in the next lesson.